Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Mrinal and welcome to Sizzle with Style. So today I have a travel vlog for you all. This is from one of my recent trips to Cairns. Now if you don't know, then Cairns is a city in the tropical far north Queensland and is home to the iconic Great Barrier Reef. So today we are visiting Kuranda. Now Kuranda is a very famous village which is situated approximately 25 kilometers from Cairns. Now let's just first start by talking about how are we going to reach Kuranda, because there are multiple ways by which you can reach Kuranda. So number one, as you see right now on screen, is the very famous Kuranda Scenic Railway which we took. But there are other ways as well you can reach Kuranda, which is by the Sky Rail cableway. You can drive as well if you have your own car. Then you can also book those day tour operators who travel frequently from Cairns to Kuranda. Now, what is so special about this journey apart from the breathtaking views of the dense rainforest and the picturesque waterfall? Now, if you are a train buff, then you are in for a treat. The carriages and the locomotive have a long history, so you won't be disappointed at all because they have that information playing in the background throughout the journey. So the overall journey took approximately 2 hours, and you can choose to either board the train from the Cairns station or the freshwater station. And we passed through many tunnels, bridges and waterfalls as well. Now you have an option of choosing from either heritage class, gold class or royal class. Of course the prices differ and the services are different. We chose to travel with the heritage class. Now as you see right now, the views are spectacular and you won't be bored at all throughout your journey. You won't realize how your 2 hours have just gone by, and you will be just clicking pictures and just absorbing all the beauty and all the nature in. Now the train does take a quick 10-minute stop as well for the Barron Gorge Falls, which is located in the Barron Gorge National Park. Now this waterfall is flooded with water, but we did not visit in rainy season, so the waterfall was like a stream as you see right now. But if you go on Google and just type in Barron Gorge waterfall, you can see those amazing pictures as well. Now once you reach Kuranda station, you can visit the tea room for quick refreshments. They do have specialities going on every day, so you can just ask for the speciality and they can help you with. You should definitely give it a try for their milkshakes. They are really good. Now once you are in Kuranda, you can plan your day however you like and the things that you want to do. We were there just for a day, so we couldn't do everything, but you can either choose from the bird world, the koala garden, the butterfly sanctuary, or you can simply walk through the markets. And we took the Rainforest Station Nature Park, and the koala garden and the wildlife park was a part of it. Now the reason we took this package was because we wanted to have a look at the Pamagiri Aboriginal experience, which was on top of our priority. We did not wanted to miss that, so we booked this package. Now after strolling through the koala garden, we then headed straight to the amphitheater for the interactive Pamagiri Aboriginal experience to watch the traditional dance performance, which you just cannot miss. That would be my personal suggestion. When you are in Kuranda, you can choose to do different things, but definitely give it a watch for this Pamagiri Aboriginal experience. Now I'm going to give you all some time to actually have a look at their dance performances, but while returning, we decided to take the Skyrail cableway to the city for a different perspective. Now there are different terminals as well where you can choose to stop the Skyrail, get out of it, step out and have a quick stroll in the rainforest and come back and begin your journey. And that's how we spent our day in Kuranda. I hope you all like this. Do continue watching, and if you all did, do consider subscribing to my channel, like this video and comment down below your favorite part, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and enjoy.
showing the cassowary. He going out in the rainforest. He looking for fruits and berries. We call this one here Bundara. The next dance we're going to do now is a mosquito dance. Showing the hunters, they're going out, they're searching for mussels. They get bitten by mosquitoes. What they do is they break the branches off the tree to brush the mosquitoes away off their body. We call this one Nuka. Nuka! Warama!